A slow easing out as UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced on Sunday evening the first steps to lift the country out of lockdown, changing the slogan from "Stay home and save lives" to "Stay alert." Johnson announced that starting on Wednesday, there would no longer be any limits for time spent outdoors exercising, followed by a roadmap for relaxing other lockdown restrictions in the coming months.
In step 2, at the earliest by June the 1st, after half-term, we believe we may be in a position to begin the phased reopening of shops and to get primary pupils back into schools, in stages beginning with reception, year 1 and year 6. And step 3, at the earliest by July and subject to all these conditions and further scientific advice, if and only if the numbers support it, we will hope to reopen at least some of the hospitality industry and other public places, provided they're safe and enforce social distancing.
But opposition leaders say the latest message left more questions than answers.
Stay alert isn't clear. Most people have been saying, what does that mean? So there's a very basic issue here about communications. But we are rushing into tomorrow asking people to go back to work. That's millions of people tomorrow morning back at work without a clear plan for safety, without clear guidance as to how to get there without using public transport.
UK residents were still urged to stay at home as much as possible, work from home if they could, not use public transport, always keep a social distance, exercise as much as possible, but also enjoy public spaces without exercising. The lockdown, which began March 23rd, has reduced the transmission of the novel coronavirus, but the death toll in Britain, already the highest in Europe, continues to rise.